I try to go to places where I know my fellow Virgin Islanders tend to congregate. They tend to hang out, places that they think are really important to them. For example, the Altoona Lagoon, we tend to hold cleanups there all the time because it's a place that's used by fishermen. People hang out there. It's a place where a lot of kids have learned to swim. It's such a culturally important place where kind of like a little gathering spot, but it's also sometimes neglected. So if they see you out there cleaning, they say, you know what, I want to be a part of helping keep this place clean. I want to help keep it safe. I want to help keep this lagoon, which has all these little baby juvenile fish inside, clean. So you just engage the public in just wanting to be a part of keeping something that they see as a culturally significant place, important and relevant and clean. And then they feel good about it, right? Then they feel that sense of pride. It makes them happier. Then you get two products done, right? You foster somebody's environmental fan. You create pride, and you clean an area that needed help.